Heavy cast aluminum base features a deluxe non-stick surface, inside and out. Skillet pan and cover are dishwasher safe with the heat control removed. Built-in spout for pouring liquids from skillet doubles as a spoon and spatula holder when cooking and serving. Fold-down handles to detach skillet pan from base. With handles folded in, the base and handles store in skillet for compact storage. Tempered glass cover and stay cool handles allow skillet to double as a buffet server. Roasts, fries, grills, stews, bakes, and makes one-dish meals. Built-in pour spout doubles as a spoon rest. Base and handles detach and nest in pan for easy cleaning and storing. Great for every meal. Big 16-inch base and high sidewalls provide extra cooking and serving capacity. Saves energy because it's more efficient than a range burner or oven. Tempered glass cover and stay cool handles allow skillet to double as a buffet server. Control master heat control maintains the desired cooking temperature automatically. 120 volts, 60 Hz only, easy to clean. Fully immersible and dishwasher safe with the heat control removed. Top reviews from the United States. Great skillet. Happy with the skillet. I never had a problem with the base being attached with my last skillet. But after 30 years it was time to put the old one to rest and a new one join the family. Happy with the results. The base to me is kinda annoying, but the reviews were great on the actual heating part of the skillet, which was what I was looking for. I have to agree, I'm impressed with the durability and easy cleanup. The lid does have a tendency to get really hot, but I allow it to cool from time to time before returning it to the skillet. Food browns and cooks evenly without burning. It heats up nicely. I use this skillet over my cooktop. Much easier to clean up. Would definitely recommend.